Hey guys, it's Wednesday, so you know what that means.
What's in it? What's on it?
This Wednesday, we're gonna see what's on, in and around Manhattan during a snowstorm. So, here we go. So that's what's on it, what's in it Wednesday. New York in a snowstorm, and I didn't film a whole lot of different places because it is flipping cold and windy, and my hands were frozen and was about to get frostbite. So, short and sweet. And it's still snowing like mad, and it's supposed to snow all through the night. Hooray! So thanks for watching, guys. Remember, daydreaming may lead to reality. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Do you wanna build a snowman? La 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 la. The cold never bothered me anyway. Yeah, it does a little bit. It's cold. I love Legos. I have all sorts of kinds of Legos. And I would just pour them all out on the floor, and I would sit and play with them for hours. And I remember my grandma